All right, so we're starting elements and compounds. I'm just showing you all the notes and going to talk about it. Yes, I will put pictures in the folder. So an element is a pure substance that can be broken down. So think of like an oxygen. Oxygen is an element. It's on the element periodic table of elements, but it's also one atom. It happens to be one atom. So it cannot be broken down. I can't break it down into carbon. I can't break it down into lithium. It stays oxygen. Okay. And so we have examples, anything on the periodic chart. And then here's some examples that I have. We're going to use these to make our compounds, but these are, remember, these are our scientific abbreviations. I use those a lot. Okay. And then we have our compounds. Two or more elements, which is the key word, joined together, and they make a new substance. So for example, I have my water. I have two hydrogen and I have an oxygen. So two hydrogen and an oxygen, when they're put together chemically bonded, they're going to create water. Hydrogen by itself does not create water. But when I chemically bond it with another one, with another oxygen and another hydrogen, it's going to create a new substance. Same with table salt and carbon dioxide. Okay, this is what we breathe out, or we breathe in. We breathe out. We breathe out. All right, so drawing atoms. So, here is my periodic table of elements. Obviously, I can't hand this out to you and have you glue it in. You can easily Google this. If you just type in periodic table of elements, you will see it. And you can also see what the different symbols stand for, which is what we're going to go over here. So here's hydrogen, and I just literally copied what was off of the periodic table. And there's a 1 up here, and that's the atomic number, and that's the number of electrons. And then you have your mass, which is an average because we don't deal with like exact because we're not in high school chemistry. And that's the number of protons and neutrons. Okay, so then let's go down here to this one. All right, so when we're drawing this, start here with our 3. So that's telling us I have to have 3 electrons in my cloud. So I'm going to draw a big circle, and I like putting my electrons in like away from each other. Okay, and then I've got my nucleus. I make it big enough that I can put my circles into it. When you get higher, like the higher numbers you go, 114, you have to have 289 protons and neutrons. Obviously, we're not drawing that, and I don't have enough space for that. So my suggestion is draw your protons and neutrons first and then put a circle around it for your electron or for your nucleus. However, I know how big a lithium nucleus is, so I kind of cheated. All right, so it says 6.9. It's almost 7, but we're just going to look at the whole number. So it's 6. That means I have to have 6 total circles, and I have to split it between 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I need to have 3 protons, 3 neutrons. So 1. And that's it. That is a lithium atom. Okay, let's do one more together. And then go ahead and go to the next slide. And you are going to do it independently. All right, let's do, I was thinking, nope, not doing that one. Calcium, or yeah, calcium. Ca, calcium, and it is 12.011. All right, that's an A. All right, so I need to have 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I need to have 12 total divided by 2, so I need to have 6 of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, that's it. There you go. All right, so go ahead and get the notes down and then go on to the next slide.